Hello, Mzansi, it's Gossip Girl. So Mahlalin Tabeni has made a video responding to Dabula, and honestly, I do not understand why can't they just pick up the phone and call each other instead of addressing one another through TikTok videos. But anyway, let me give you context because there's a lot of confusion around Mahlalin Tabeni and Moja Love's situation. Recently, Mahlalin Tabeni's family made shocking announcements about her health. They initially said she had passed away, but this was later corrected. The family then confirmed that she was alive and had been in ICU after a serious health crisis. Following that, the family alleged that Mahlalin Tabeni had been under extreme stress. They linked the stress to financial struggles, underpaid or delayed payments, and poor treatment, which they say they were connected to her work in the reality television, including her time on Moja Love. The family also revealed that she had attempted to take her own life, and this brought a national attention to the important issues like mental health, exploitation in reality TV, and how vulnerable cast members are treated. At the end of the day, Mzansi, we wish Mahlalin Tabeni healing and strength, and we hope the truth comes out through proper channels. Let's keep the conversation respectful because this is someone's real life. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Bye-bye.
Dabula, awukho ku-level yami ngempilo wena. Ukuthi bengisebenza nawe Moja Love akusho ukuthi kumele ukhulume nami ku-social media ngendlela ukhuluma nami ngakhona. Okokuqala ngitshe ngathi angilwe nawe. Umuntu okugcina wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngifuna uMaseko. Uyazi ukuthi uMaseko angisebenzi ngaye, sebenzi ngezigebengu mina. Angisebenzi ngesilima. Then wena ungafuni impi. Because into engakutshela yona mina la ku-social media ngakuyenza ukuthi uzikhunge or ungasayi nasemathaveni or ungasayi la uzitshela ukuthi wena uma ungena uyangena sisi. Mhlawumbe ubona ngithulile, ubona ngathi kulamela udlalele khona la phezu kwekhanda lami. Umngane wakho sisi mamanzi never slap nensipho. Angisimngane wakho mina. So ngicela ukuthi ungangijwayeli kabi. Uyangazi la ngihlala khona. Mangabe usempini iba sempini ubonakale sisi. Imali engiyifunayo ngiyifuna kuwe, angasebenzeli wena ngisebenzeli Moja Love. And if basakubhadala ukuthi ube ipuppet yabo ukhuluma nonsense ngami ku social media uzozisola. I repeat, angisesomngane wakho mina futhi angisakusebenzise la ifini yami.
Hi, my people. Hi, my friends. I hope you're good. I'm not gonna waste of time here, but I'm here to deliver something. I'm here to deliver my answers. And one question. Mahlalin Tabeni ungipostile wathi ngi-overpower entweni eziningi my daddy. Wathi wena umatwetwe wena uZulu. Wena uyini Mahlalin Tabeni. So why decide to kill yourself if wena uyigwe? I won't change anything, Mahlalin Tabeni. I don't know your life's issues. But mina, Moja Love wena le ulwa nayo. Ngisaphila namanje right for mina. So wena ukuthi maybe ufuna uMaseko Bheki or ini ukhosa ini ukhosa ama-angle ukhosa ama-society. No, my darling. Esusethe ukuthi wena you are strong. Keep it in that way. Ungipostile wangiphendula emapostini amaningi. Wangirekhoda even nakuTawu. Yes. Ngiphumile noTawu, yes, and there were cameras. Mengingasinto nje ama-camera mekakhona my child. Ukuthi uyangiposta expose. This is my life. Akunala ngizongatheka khona. I am Jabula Dali. I'm a gay person, I'm strong. You are a woman. So you get a computer now, my child. You get a computer now. I don't think I'll see myself causing a society. With no reason, thanks. Stop what you are doing and focus in life, my child. Thank you, my South Africa. I'm sorry to be like that. I'm sorry to be like that, my friends. But as I said, I'm here to give answers with the one question. Thank you, my love.